Aloha folks, welcome to another video. My name is Mark, Mr. Dividend Investor. Today I got three companies that you definitely want to put on your watch list. These guys might just soar. As always, please remember this is not financial advice. This is just me sharing. If you are new to the channel, just wanted to say welcome. If you are new to investing and you want to learn about which companies are great to invest on, whether it's dividends, growth stocks, or even penny stocks, you've come to the right channel. Definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on some of the videos that I put out. I want you to join my little community of Ohana of investors as we invest in great companies so that we can make all that money. All right, let's take a look at the first one. First one on our list is Hilltop Holdings, ticker symbol HTH. This is a company that engages in the provisions of business and consumer banking services. So if you can see, HTH is a family of companies that provide financial services to business, public entities, financial institutions, investors, and individuals in Texas and across the country. As you can see, they have the Plain Capital Banks, Hilltop Securities, and Prime Lending. So let's take a look quickly at tip ranks. At the time of this video, it was $39. Their price target is $35 with 11% downside. However, their 12-month forecast rated it in the high of 40s, the low of 35, the low of 31, and the average of 35. Now, based on their recommendations or an analysis, they rated it as a strong buy based on 3 and 1 hold. Now, if we look and compare it with CNN Business, they kind of have a similar one in a way. Their high is at 40, the medium is 34, and the low is 31. Now, if we look at their analysis recommendations, you can see there were 3 buys, 1 outperform, and 1 hold. Now, if we look at Weibo, as you can see, based on their analysis, 5 analysis rated as a buy. Now, if you look at their price target, you can see the high is pretty similar with 40, the average is 34, and then the low is 31. Now, if we look down even to the institutional holdings, there are 288 of them with 52 increases, 51 new, and 77 decreases. So now let's take a look at some of the information in Yahoo Finance. Now in Yahoo Finance, we can see that the top institutional holdings are one of my favorite ones, Vanguard Group. They bought about 6 million shares at December 30, 2020. As you can see, BlackRock is also one of my favorites, 5 million, December 30 on 2020. Dimensional Funds Advisors bought about 5 million as well. Now, let's take a quick look at the chart in bar charts. Now, this is a 3-month chart. As you can see, the red is the 20 moving average. The blue is the 50 moving average. Look at that beautiful upward trend. It did hit the 20 moving average here and then here, but just a beautiful going upward track. Now, if we look at this one right here, you can see it did have a spike up, but for the most part, the volume is low, but it is pretty steady in my opinion. Now, if we look at the MACD, you can see based on the MACD, it did do a crossover here with an upward trend going this way. Now, if we look at the RISO has been staying in the overbought area, so hopefully it comes down to this area at some point. So there you have it for the first one. Next on the list is Quotient Technology, ticker symbol QUOT. This one engages in the operation of a digital marketing platform that connects brands and realtors with consumers through web, mobile, and social channels. So, looking further through it, you can see some of the companies that work with this one: Hormel, Johnson & Johnson, General Mills. So basically, this is what they're about. It's more of the if you look down closer, you can see their job is to be with the companies as well as advertisers and for us consumers. So you can see these are the platforms that they work with. It's more of like the electronic coupons that you see on your phones. Now let's take a look at tip ranks. Based on tip ranks, at the time of this video, it was $16 with the target price of 13. Now 12-month forecast rated it as 19 as the high. The average is 13. The low is 7. Now if we look at the rating, you can see moderate buy based on 3 with 2 buys and 1 sell. Now if we compare that to CNN Business, their high is on the 25, 16 would be their medium, and 7 would be low. Now if we look at the analysis recommendations, you can see there's about 3 buys and 1 sell. So pretty much similar to what tip ranks was considering. Now if we look more on Weibo, as you can see, 208 institutions hold this, with 48 of them increasing, 39 new and 37 decreasing. Now if we look down to the price target, so their high would be 25, the average is 16, and then the low is $7. Now what is their recommendation? Based on 4, they recommend it also as a buy. So definitely something for you to take a look at. Also, if you are ready to start your investing journey, there is a link in the comment section. If you use my link and you deposit at least $100 in your first deposit, you get a stock and I get a stock, so it definitely works out. So you definitely want to hit that link and join the little community of Ohana investors, guys. Now let's take a look at Yahoo Finance. Let's see what the top institutional holdings for this company. So you can see, again, I always look for my favorite ones. Vanguard right there hold about 6 million. BlackRock also holds about 5 million. 169 institutions hold these shares. Now let's take a look at bar chart. Based on bar chart, this is a 3-month observation. Again, you can see it did hit the 20 here and then the 50 moving average, but after that it just popped. Now it's going up. Look at that beautiful trend going up now. Look at that volume. The volume has started to increase, whereas this side you can see it's a little bit low, then it started to pick up. Now if you look at the MACD has crossed right about here, so hopefully we can see a trend going back this way, so it can kind of start going that way. You can see the Rizzo, you can see the Rizzo has gone higher than this 0.8, so it is in the overbought side, so hopefully it'll punch down this way. So we'll see how it goes. Last on the list, Rubius Therapeutics, ticker symbol RUBY. This is a company that engages in the development of red cell therapeutic medicine for cancer and all the other stuff, as well as infectious diseases. So you definitely want to take a look at this. Very interesting company. Now if we look some of the tip ranks, so based on tip rank, at the time of this video it was $16. Target price is 14 with the 12-month forecast of $28. The average is 14 and the low is $4. Now looking through the analysis rating, you can see there is 1 buy and 2 holds. Now let's start comparing that with CNN Business. As you can see, based on theirs, it is kind of similar with the high 28, the medium of 11, and the low of $4. Now their analysis recommended is based on 3 holds and 3 buys. So I think also reporting day for earnings is May 18th. So if that's something that you're interested in this stock, you definitely put that in your calendar. Now let's take a look at Weibo. Now in Weibo, you can see their price target is pretty much similar, a high of 28, the average of 13, and the low of 4. Now if we look down, 139 institutions hold this with 26 increase, 20 new, and 33 decrease. Now if we look at their rating, 6 of their analysis rated is as a buy. Now let's take a look at bar chart. In bar chart, you can see this is the 6-month look. It did dip right here. As you can see, it just went and crashed as low as $6, and then it started picking up, went back down. Now it's up, then it went back down. Now it's going straight up. From there, you can see. So if you look at the trend, the last time it hit the 50 moving average was way around here. And then it did crosses over. So we'll see. The volume is pretty much steady, as you can see, but you can also see the MACD has crossed over, but it also has crossed over, so it's going to go upward this way. Looking at the Rizzo, it is in the overbought section, so definitely gonna check this out. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked this video. Also, please, if you haven't done so, hit that like button. If you're not yet a subscriber, you definitely want to subscribe and definitely join us in our journey. As always, please remember to do your own due diligence, do your own research. Please be safe out there, guys. Stay cool, keep investing, and I'll catch you guys on the next video, all right? Take care and aloha.